Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you using AI like ChatGPT to write code and wondering how to detect which parts were AI generated? In today's video, we're diving into Codespy.ai, a smart tool that scans your code and highlights AI written sections. Whether you're a developer, teacher, or just curious, this tool can help you review, analyze, and improve your code easily. Once you click on the description link and create an account, you'll need to register first. First of all, enter your name, then your email, password, and confirm your password. After that, fill in some additional forms and hit the register button. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard like this. You can see we have different options here. On the main dashboard, we have a bunch of features like an overview, where you can see AI-generated content and human-written content. Down below, we have an activity tab and more. On the left side, there's the report section, where you can view all the reports. So first, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a spiral matrix code. It generates the matrix code, and I simply need to copy it. Then, I click the report button, paste the code there, and select the coding language. Options include Java, PHP, Python, and more. Since my code is in Python, I'll select Python and hit the Analyze button. It will start processing to determine if the code is human-written or AI-generated. Now you can see it's showing that the code is 98% AI-generated. All the red highlighted words are written by AI. So now, let's try another AI-generated code. Again, I'll select Python as the coding language and hit the Analyze button. Once again, it detects that it is AI-generated. Now, let's try another one. This time, I'll paste another code, hit the Analyze button, and it detects that it's partially AI-generated. That means it's half written by a human and half by AI. Now, I'll paste my own code and see if it detects whether it's human or AI. Once I click the Analyze button, it starts processing, and within seconds, it shows the result. Here you can see it says the code is written by a human, only 2% is AI-generated, and 98% is human-written. You can view all the details in one place, the overview, direction, and more. So, Codespy is the best tool to test whether your code is human-written or AI-generated. The link is available in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.